Hello, welcome back guys. Today we are talking about how to remove a green background in Adobe Premiere. This may be your first time using Adobe Premiere and don't know how to do it. I will now show you how to do it. So, we have a file where we need to remove a green background. We need to apply the Ultra K effect to this video, and here's how to do it. Select the Effects tab. When in the search, enter Ultra K. To apply this effect, you have to drag it to a file. Then go to the Effect Contrast panel and find the Ultra K effect. There are a lot of different settings here, but we don't need them yet. Click on the pipette and click anywhere where is green. And that's it. If you were wondering how to remove a green background in Adobe Premiere, this is the easiest way I know. If you know no way, please leave a comment. Be sure to subscribe for more videos. Bye bye.